How to change password on Wayfair. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can change your password on Wayfair. The first step is to visit the website and log in into your account. Once you're logged in, move to the top right corner and click on the account option. In the drop down menu, ensure you select my account. It is the first option there. So after selecting my account, you'll be taken to your accounts page. On this page, move to the left side of the screen where you can see the welcome address. Scroll down under personal information, select account and device info. And then you'll be taken um to your account confirmation page. So yeah, scroll down if you want to change your account name, your email address. Then for your password, just click on edit. Just click on the edit option here, and then a small box will be displayed on the screen. So before you can change your password, a 6-digit code will be sent to you. So to confirm it, go to top part of the screen, click on the plus icon again to open a new tab, then type your Gmail inbox so that you can be taken to your inbox. So after selecting inbox, wait for a while for the inbox page to load. So once you've seen the verification code, click on the message, copy the code, all right, then go back to account information and enter in the code in here. Then after doing that, you'll be able to change your password. So this is for the sake of security, all right, to ensure you have an access to your email address, and then you can now go ahead and enter in the new password that you would like to use, then confirm the password as well, and then click on save password and you are good to go. So this is how you can change your password on Wayfair. Thank you for watching and have a good day.